Ever taken cough syrup and suddenly felt super sleepy? It's not just you. It's the science inside the bottle. Let's break it down. Most cough syrups contain antihistamines like diphenhydramine. These block histamine receptors in your brain. Histamine normally keeps you alert and awake. But when it's blocked, your brain slows down. That's why you feel drowsy, heavy, and ready to nap, even if you weren't tired before. So next time cough syrup knocks you out, remember, it's not just you, it's the science. Hit subscribe to AzjadForge for more everyday health explainers. Before you go, do you get sleepy from cough syrup? Drop a comment below, yes or no. And don't forget to check out more videos like this one.